Hi, hello, assalamualaikum. Today we're gonna talk about Bombardier Beetle. The common name of this insect is Bombardier Beetle, while its scientific name is Pherosophus verticalis. It is under family Carabidae and the subfamily is Branchinidae. This insect is in the largest insect order, which is Coleoptera. Coleus in word Coleoptera means sheath, while ptera means wings. Next, let's take a look at Bombardier Beetle body part.
Thank you, Alia, for your presentation. I am Akila and I will continue with the next part of our group presentation, which is the body parts of the Bombardier beetle and where it lives. So as you all know, insects have three body parts, which are head, thorax, and abdomen. So firstly, I will start with the head part. The head part consists of antenna, mandible, pulp, and compound eyes. Just so you know that the mandible and the pulp actually play the same role, which is to handle their food. Next, for the thorax part, four of front legs are situated there, while for the elytra, mid leg, and hind leg, they are located at the abdomen part. For your information, Bombardier beetles need to take some time to fly as their wings are kept below their elytra, and also please take note that every leg has three compartments, which are femur, tibia, and tarsus. Next, I'll be talking about where the Bombardier beetles lives. So the first habitat that they could live in is at undisturbed riverbanks and floodplains. So for those who don't know what is floodplains, floodplains is actually an area of land that is prone to flooding, or also known as a flat area of land next to a river or stream. Another part of nature where the Bombardier beetle can be found easily is leaf litter and under stones in woodlands and grasslands. Leaf litter is a layer on top of the soil which consists of leaves, dry leaves, and debris, which can normally be seen in woodlands. So do notice that the Bombardier beetle favor moist environment. Thus, it is easier to find them in these particular places. So if you ever stumble upon any moist ground at America or even in Canada, there will be high chances that you can find the Bombardier beetle there.
Hi, my name is Nur Asya binti Ahmad Nordin. My matric numbers is 206471. So today I will explain about life cycle of Bombardier beetle. For life cycle of Bombardier beetles, they have similar life cycle with other beetles. There are 4 stages of life cycle, which are eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. All these stages are being through in sequence. For first stage, which is eggs, after the eggs fertilize, the female beetles will find a location to lay it. There are no specific location, but the requirements are a safe distance from most predators and a close distance to decent food sources. From the eggs, larva stage begins. Next, the second stage, which is larva stage. Larva will gain the nutrients from the foods and may undergo a few times of molt to change to the next stages. The third stage is pupa stage. After the last time it shed its skin, it changes into a pupa. Same goes to the last stage, which is adult stage. After the final shed of its skin, it becomes adult beetle. Adult beetle only survive for a few weeks, so during that time, the adult will mate and begin a new life cycle by laying its own eggs.
But the master of chemical warfare is the Bombardier beetle. It can create a chemical reaction within its body so violent that boiling caustic liquid explodes out of its abdomen. By pulsing the jet 500 times a second, it keeps its rear end just cool enough to prevent it being cooked.
Let's see the cool facts about Bombardier Beetle. So, this beetle is most notable for its defense mechanism. This beetle can eject a hot noxious chemical spray from their tips of abdomen. They got two abdominal chambers to keep the corrosive chemicals separated. The interesting part is, their abdominal rear can be rotated up until 260 degrees. The explosive spray that emitted from their body can reach temperature close to 100 degrees Celsius. Next, the chemical read into the explosive spray is hydroquinone and hydrogen. Actually, if we combine these two chemicals right now, nothing will happen. It is believed this beetle has evolved a catalyst that stored in the third chamber where the chemical mix. Then that is where the catalyst will trigger the explosion reaction. Let's see some interesting videos.
Did you know Bombardier Beetle used its chemical warfare only for defense? When on the hunt, it used super sharp jaws to slice up worms and insects. Did you know Bombardier beetles mostly eat small insects? Did you know naturalist Charles Darwin discovered this beetle's steamy defense when he put one into his mouth while collecting insects?